Hello teachers and staff. This is going to be a quick overview of SmartPass. I've already created a video for students showing them how to create a pass. If you want to see the app from their perspective, I'd suggest taking a look. Meanwhile, I'm going to show what you need to know as a teacher. To access SmartPass, you will need to go through Clever. As I told the students, I suggest making the app a favorite so it's easier to find. The first time you open the SmartPass app, go to the gear wheel in the top right corner, click on Favorites, and search for your classroom. Then click the star next to your classroom, and if you're a rover, do this for all your classrooms. Students have the option of creating a one-way pass to another location or a round-trip pass to the bathroom. One way is 5 minutes, round trip is 8 minutes. So to begin, I'm going to be a student and create a bathroom pass to show what you have to do on your end. FYI, each of the bathrooms has a limit of 5 passes, and the list of bathrooms in the app will show how many are being used. So here we go. I'm going to go over to the student screen. I'm going to click Create Pass, and then I'm going to select my demonstration classroom. I'm going to click on Bathrooms, and then I'm just going to click on one of the bathrooms. Notice that for this example I'm showing 2 teachers, and that's because some of the classrooms have a rover in there. So tell your students to make sure they click on the correct teacher. They have the option of typing a message, or they can just skip it. And then you see that they have 8 minutes for their pass. They would click Request Pass and it would go over to you. For this example, I'm going to drop it down to 1 minute and click the request. Then I'm going to come over to your side. You'll see now that you do have a pass request waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it, and you have the option to approve or deny. I'm going to go ahead and hit approve. Now that I've hit approve, you can see that the ticker has started clicking, and it's doing the same over on the student side. What we've told the students is that when they go to the bathroom, leave their laptop open, and then that way when they return to the classroom, they could click End. While this is running, let me explain what's happening with this pass. Like I said, normally they would get 8 minutes. We made it 1 minute for this example. If they run out of time and are not back yet to hit end, this is going to turn red for them and for you. And that lets you know that they are not back on time. There is a built-in buffer of about 10 minutes before that pass auto expires. And now we've got about 8 seconds left. If for any reason they don't get back on time, you can report them through the app. And here we go, they both turned red. I'm going to click on it. To report a student for being overtime, you would go here to the triangle. You would type a message, just like they're showing there, student did not return. Then you would hit submit, and it will go over to the admin and security. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to click outside of my pass. Even though it's red, if for any reason the student does get back, they can still go ahead and click End, which I am going to do. A handy feature of SmartPass for you as the teacher is the ability to look up your students' pass history. So I'm going to come back over to you. I'm going to go up to Search Students, and I would start typing my student's name. I'm going to use Demo Student 1. And this information might be useful during parent conferences. It gives you a lot of information. It shows how many passes this student has made, how much time has been spent out of class, how many passes are over the time limit, how many passes were auto-ended. I'm going to go ahead and click Home and come back into your screen. And I'm going to give you some final notes. The app has a maximum hallway capacity of 20 students at any given point in time. If all 20 slots are being used, anyone else requesting a pass will be put in a queue. Also, Be aware that there are a few destinations where it would be best to call or make arrangements ahead of time, and those would be the Career Center, the Computer Lab, and the Wellness Center. The people in charge of these locations are not always available, or there could be a special event or testing taking place. And that's pretty much what you need to know, except for my rovers. If you notice right here, it says currently in demonstration room 1. I can click on this to select whatever room I would be in at any given period. And that's about it. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know.